Okay guys, time to unbox this Waterbox aquarium 45 centimeter cube and set it all up for our next aquascape. What I can see from the packaging, it's really nicely packed. They have quite a thick foam on the top. What I will be doing is I'm gonna cut it on the sides and open the box that way. Yeah guys, I'm really impressed with this packaging, and you can see that it's packed perfectly and there's no way this glass gonna get scratched while in transportation. So yeah, let's open it out. Yes, a nice clean ultra clear low iron content glass. Same as Starphire glass. It has a bit of a logo here, Waterbox Aquarium. All right. Okay, let's open up. Okay guys, we have unboxed this nice aquarium from Waterbox, and it's on its own cabinet which we assembled a couple of weeks ago. I'm really excited for this scape. We will be using new WRGB2 lights from Cheiros. I'm really impressed with these lights when we used it on our Brazilian scape that we did for one of our clients, and I'm a big fan of these lights and will be using these lights on this scape. Also, what the plan here is to use to show the growth of the plants using the new soil that will be launched in a month's time. So this tank I will be building using that soil. Plus obviously we will do some hardscape using driftwood or rocks. Haven't planned yet, but I will be posting all the updates as I develop this tank. So yeah, really impressed with the quality of this tank. I'm really looking forward to scape it and show you guys the progress. Thank you. Thanks guys for watching the video, and do subscribe to my YouTube channel if you haven't, for latest aquascapes and product reviews.